Another issue is whether training costs can be reported as business expenses. Many people think so, but the answer isn't so simple. It really depends. Generally speaking, they can when the training is for business purposes. If the training helps learners meet minimum job qualifications, or if the training helps them develop brand new skills that have nothing to do with their current job, or if the training helps them prepare for a future job, then no, the training costs cannot be reported as business expenses. A second tax law issue is whether reimbursements for training expenses need to be classified or claimed as income. In 2021, the first $5,250 is not taxable, but anything over that amount needs to be classified as compensation or claimed as income.